Why does your skin age and how to prevent premature aging of your skin using natural methods? As with all body organs, skin ages as programmed by our genes. This is called internal aging. Dry skin, age spots, white hair, hair loss, thin nails, and other skin changes come purely due to age. Skin also ages by external factors as well. Sun is the main external factor that ages the skin. The sun rays consist of many light spectrums. Ultraviolet rays damage the skin most. Both UVA and UVB are responsible for skin damage. Aging due to the sun is called photoaging. The sun breaks down the collagen and the elastin in the skin if you are being prone to the sun exposure for a long period of time. The sun can also help to provide you vitamin D, but too much exposure can be harmful. The skin loses its elasticity and firmness and develops premature wrinkles. Photoaging depends on the skin color and the amount of sun exposure over the years. Dark-colored individuals show less sun damage, while fair-skinned individuals show more sun damage for the same exposure. With the rising age, the total sun exposure increases and it gives rise to not only age spots, but also more serious problems such as actinic keratosis and skin cancers. The only way to prevent sun damage is protection from the sun. Gravity also plays its part in skin aging. As you know, gravity pulls everything towards the earth. So as we age, the effect of gravity becomes evident. The loss of elastin in the skin with aging plays a role in this. So with gravity, jewels form, the ears elongate, the tip of the nose elongates, and other such changes take place. Also, smoking tobacco plays a major role in skin aging. It is found that smokers form wrinkles sooner than non-smokers. Smokers also develop a slightly yellow color to their skin color. So what happens is that smoking brings about biochemical changes in the body, and that majorly accelerates and fastens the process of aging of the skin. So by quitting smoking, this can be stopped to a certain extent. Another thing is that it has also been believed that expressions of the face also play a part in premature skin aging, and this is simply a theory. So the theory is that when we make facial expressions, we use facial muscles on the skins, and this forms specific lines as well. So the idea here is that with age, the skin loses its ability to spring back and then the lines begin to form. And the theory goes that with repetitive facial expressions, these specific lines become more permanent. So the idea to this theory is a bit controversial, because what they say is in order to stop such lines and wrinkles forming, you need to either stop or reduce the amount you make these facial expressions as much as you can. And if you are doing facial expressions, be aware that there will be lines that form permanently. Now, this is just a theory. You may want to go ahead and completely believe it, but there is no strong scientific back to this claim. Sleeping positions, sleep lines also form over the years, and this is basically depends on your sleeping position. So the idea here is if you sleep with your face down on the pillow, you also may be able to develop wrinkles on the area on your forehead. And if you sleep sideways with your cheeks resting on the pillow, the wrinkles will appear on that area as well. So in order to stop the formation of sleep lines, you need to change your sleeping position frequently. And it's being claimed that if you sleep with your face upwards on the pillow, no sleep lines will form. We've come towards the end of our video today. If you enjoyed today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.